What's up, YouTube stars? Today's video, we are talking about 3 proven passive income ideas and online businesses that will help you to start 2024 and beyond strong. Okay, you want a strong year where you can make money from home and from your phone. You know, I'm the passive income strategist. I love helping people to learn to make money from home. Let's go. Let's get right to it. The first one we're going to talk about is that $25 business that I keep on telling y'all about because it surprised me. That's why I love it. That's why I talk about it a lot. I kind of stumbled on this business. I stumbled upon this business, and I'm going to tell you, it's a really good business if you're looking for passive income at home. So I'm going to put that link below, but let me just tell you what it does. So it offers a funnel building automation tool. It offers a funnel builders academy. They give you training. All right. They have a support group. They have done for you templates. You get all sorts of bonuses. You get AI. It's got AI. It's got automatic AI emails in there as well. So say you're a person, you've never really learned marketing. So you kind of don't know what to say when people tell you, oh, just do email marketing. You don't know what to say, right? This is what the professionally right here, bonus number 6, the little black book of email, professionally written emails. You literally click one button, and boom, the email is done for you, okay? The best part about this $25 business here, y'all, is that you get 80% of the commissions. Yeah, you heard me right, 80%, not 50% and not 25%, like most online businesses offer. But you know, I tell people all the time too, affiliate marketing is simply advertising. You're simply being an advertiser, and you don't always have to talk in video. Okay, some ways of advertising could be blogging, and I'll show you too. Speaking of AI, I should show, let me show you my blog real quick. I didn't even plan to do this, but you know, people tell me all the time, everybody's not a talker, everybody is not good on videos. But let me tell y'all, I created this I'm not even going to show you that one. So, because I'm not doing that business anymore. I'm always looking for passive income ideas and opportunities, y'all. So, but check this one out here. So I blogged about the mushroom coffee. A lot of this information was generated from with AI using ChatGPT, y'all, believe it or not. So, and then I just plop in my videos here. But again, that's all you're doing when you're affiliate marketing. So again, this $25 business, the fact that they give you 80% commission, that's amazing. It's $25, but if you want the, oh, and it says it right here too. Right here, it says, earn 80% commission on all sales generated by your efforts. And your efforts could be a blog that was written by ChatGPT, child. Come on. Stop telling me ain't no ways to make money online. Stop it. But yep, for this funnel too, they have a $25 funnel, also a $125 funnel, and with the $125 funnel, you still get the 80%. And again, here are some more ways that you could get the traffic to your site. You could do Facebook ads, you could do YouTube, podcasting, LinkedIn. You could simply just post. You know, I'm not a fan of LinkedIn. I think it's for like a certain personality, and that personality is not mine. But, you know, you could get business from LinkedIn by just, you know, plopping in, you know, your link and your information. So let's go to business. Passive income opportunity number 2. All right. Passive income opportunity number 2, of course. One of my favorites, LiveGood. All right, so LiveGood is like super cool. But again, blogging, videos, LinkedIn, just drive people to your landing page is all you have to do. Oh, one other thing too. With the Home Business Academy, this is your landing page here. This is your home. Let me hurry up. My computer, I don't need no problems. I got to get through this video. But yeah, y'all, I forgot. I'm Katina the Broker. If this is your first time here, click on that subscribe button because it helps me to continue giving out all these freebies, all this insanely profitable online business information. All right. So click on subscribe. Also, click that like button because it really, really helps out the channel. So let's get back to business opportunity number 2, my favorite, LiveGood, right? So again, driving people to your landing page is the name of the game. That's all affiliate marketing is. It's no need to be afraid of it, right? But let me go to the other side, y'all, because I want to show you some of the newer products over at LiveGood, which is really, really catching attention, y'all. So let me just show you really, really quickly, because I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. My last few videos have been a little bit too long, but so check it out, y'all. All right. Collagen, that's one of the hot new products that everybody's talking about. Okay, it supports your skin, your hair, your nails, bone, joint, muscle support, weight management. And let me tell y'all, my favorite is that mushroom coffee, y'all. I had went off of it and was using a different brand of mushroom coffee for a few weeks. And I noticed that my appetite was the appetite suppressant is a lot lighter in the other brand of mushroom coffee. So I was still snacking a lot during work hours. But, you know, with the LiveGood mushroom coffee, I swear, y'all, I have my fruit. I have my raw walnuts. These are the things I eat during the work hour. And then, you know, I'll have some more fruit before I walk my dog. And then I have a big dinner. Maybe that's the problem, though. I'm eating a big meal late. But I'll figure that out. But what I'm saying is the mushroom coffee really does work as far as mental clarity, healthy mood. It tastes amazing. All right. So let's go back to the new products. Something for sleep patches. I did try this Instant Youth too, and I need to do a review on that. And there's another new product too that's not here yet. So, but yeah, the thing with LiveGood is you get 50% commission on everyone who starts, and then you get paid on a multi-level. You get paid on levels. That's the thing about LiveGood. It's let's see. See, I don't want to show no personal information. So that's why I was real skeptical. I don't want to show anybody's personal information, but you get what I'm saying. You get paid 15 levels deep. Let me just try to go to that part and see if I can go to the part. Let's go to the pay plan real quick. All right. So yeah, at LiveGood, you get to earn 6 different ways. Weekly fast start commissions, matrix commissions, and it's a forced matrix too. Matching bonuses, retail, you know the name of the game, right? So that is how it goes at LiveGood. All right. And the third, passive income. Now, if you got any questions, any comments, post them right now below so that you don't forget. All right. Because I'm going kind of fast and I'm rambling a little bit and I can't stand when I do that. But comment below, which passive income do you like most so far? Is it LiveGood or is it the $25 funnel? And don't forget, the $25 funnel pays 80% commission. And this funnel is comparable to ClickFunnels or Kajabi. And those tools are $197 and $297 a month. This one's only $25. You can't beat that. Get ready for the new year. Okay. So let's go to number 3. Now, number three. All right, number 3 is the virtual dispensary, y'all. So, you know, I will probably have this link because I like to know who's getting the information on the virtual dispensary, okay? But basically, people can pick up gummies and mushroom products right online and have it discreetly mailed to them. And this is also multi-level marketing, and the compensation plan is amazing, okay? But basically, once you click on my landing page over there, you're going to go to the real page, and they're going to ask you to choose your country, right? And then you have to verify and make sure you're 21 before you read any of the information, okay? But you can browse some products. You can learn about the compensation plan. Choose if you want to be just a dispensary owner or you want to be a professional dispensary owner. Okay, so, and these are some of the products too that I just mentioned. But let me click on opportunity real quick so that you can see that. Yeah, so the beauty about this is that there's no licenses to get, right? No licenses to get, no apologies, no huge investment, no waiting time. It's 100% legal. And, we say that because a lot of people who try to open up, brick and mortar dispensaries, they went through a huge process, getting licenses, paying a lot of money, and then got denied because they may or may not have been associated with the right people. So, that's why this is so cool, such a cool business. It's really just like drop shipping, dispensary products. So, check it out. Now, which one are you most interested in? Is it LiveGood with the health and wellness products where you can earn commission 6 ways? Is it the funnel, the $25 funnel where you can earn 80% of the commissions from everybody who signs up? And I'm going to tell you, like I said, this one is my new favorite because it really surprised me. I just stumbled upon this and it's great. It's been great. This one is amazing too. The dispensary, if you know the right people, club owners, bar owners, people who are already kind of in this business and they want some alternative or some additional items to add to their online store. So let me know, y'all, which one is it? Is it the virtual dispensary? Just type VDO, or is it the funnel, or is it LiveGood? Let me know in the comments. I am Katina Willis. I am so glad you made it here today. Real quick before I go, I got to give you a quick stock tip, y'all. I'm a day trader. I be in the stock market every day now. So I just want to show you real quick what I've been doing with all of my LiveGood commissions and all of my commissions from HBA and all of my dispensary commissions as well. I'm buying as much Bitcoin as I can right now, y'all, because the price is down, right? And I'm telling y'all, I promise y'all, it's not going to be down for long. So in addition to the links that you can start an amazing passive income business so that you can hit the ground running and start the new year off strong, I'm going to also put my link so that you can buy some Bitcoin. Because I'm going to tell you, when everybody starts talking about Bitcoin, that's when you will know it's a little bit too late and you missed the bottom. Okay? And so let me just show you real quick. If we go back, look right here. If we go back, let's just look at the 5-year map for Bitcoin. Look where we are in price, y'all. We're right here. We're right here. So guess what's going to happen? We were right here in 2021. The peak was 2021. The lowest was what? Of course, during COVID, 2020. Now, I seriously doubt that we'll ever see those type of numbers again, but we're not really far from it, okay? So the high of Bitcoin was 61,000 something. Yeah, 61,000 was the high, and there's going to be a new Bitcoin ETF. That's the reason that Bitcoin is really going to blow up in the next 6 months. I went to an investment conference and that was all the talk among everybody is how Bitcoin is going to blow up in the next 6 months. So get yours while you can. All right. So enough with me rambling. I'm Katina Willis. Thank you for watching this video about 3 of the best passive income best passive income online businesses that you can do right now. Don't forget, check out these videos right here. They're going to be right here or right there. I think they're going to be right here though. Check out these videos, y'all, so that you can learn more about HBA. You can learn more about LiveGood, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.